Hi Carson, what was your favorite part of homeschool this semester?
I like playing sports. I like playing all the games. I like doing the class. And seeing monkeys. Human monkeys running around, staring at me like. My favorite part of homeschool is the nanny. My favorite memory was when we were doing like animals battling animals. My favorite part was that I didn't have to go to school for like each day. That's what I liked about homeschool, and it's short. I like having fun in nature. I like making friends and having fun.
What was your favorite part of homeschool this semester?
To learn different things about the animals.
Grace, what has been your favorite thing you've learned this semester at the Nature Center?
That the mosquitoes are giving me malaria.
Nice. Vivian, what was your favorite activity from this semester?
Making the wanted and missing posters for the mosquito and the eagle.
What has been your favorite memory from the Nature Center this semester?
Birds sanctuary.
Ooh, nice. What was your favorite thing you've learned?
My favorite part of homeschool was just being in nature, learning about nature, and making friends.
Hello, Adrian. What was your favorite memory from homeschool?
Swimming in the river.
Ooh, that's a
and
good one.
catching prawns.
Oh, Quinlan! What was your favorite part about homeschool this semester?
Learning about what we're learning about today.
You like learning about global warming and climate change?
Yeah.
Grayson, what does the tinfoil part do?
Has the solar sun, so basically the solar sun's light hits this and this reflects like a magnified flash makes the sun, and it makes like a little circle like that.
favorite activity?
I don't know. We did a lot of them.
Is there a specific game you like?
I like the big game.
How about you? What was your favorite activity done at the Nature Center this semester?
The big game.
The bee game. What is the bee game?
The one that didn't miss me.
Oh yeah, I remember.
Okay. Okay, what was your best